For this assignment, I'm using my paper that I just finished for another class. This is the literature review for my dissertation proposal. So, if I were giving myself some comments, I would scroll down to the body of the paper. I'm going to start looking right here in the first page. I've repeated the title here, which is correct APA 7 format. It's in heading 1. I then have the title of the chapter. This will look obviously different in the actual dissertation proposal, but I figure this is a good enough example. As you can see, we start right away with our body text here, following recommended format in which we introduce the content of the literature review here. I think that I actually want to revise this later to just use mind, brain, and education as the focus. I don't know that we need to bring cognitive load theory in right away. So I would leave a comment here saying, thank you for doing this. Thanks, but no thanks. Let's intro this later on. Let's just try and keep it simple in that first sentence. As we move down, there's a lot of abbreviations in here, which is making me think that maybe I want to take another look at whether I'm using them appropriately. I go over the 3 streams in a little more detail in terms of what they include and why they're valuable to the study. And then I indicate to the reader why this study is being performed. It's partially reiterative from earlier chapters from chapter 1. We then go right into the first stream, which we can see has the APA heading 2, in which we start talking about human cognition and sort of laying the basis using mind, brain, and education science. I don't know that I have a lot of more feedback to give myself just yet, but that's sort of what I would do if I was actually doing this.